Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I installed this 13x4 lace wig, and this wig was sent to me by ALIPEARL Hair, and this had a density of I believe 150 or 180 and it was 24 inches. That's how long the hair it is. Right now you can see I am getting ready, preparing the bleach. I use the bleach developer. I use the 90, I think it's the 40% developer, and just any bleach powder that I had, and you stir it so it has that thick consistency, and then after that I'm going to spread it over the lace of the wig so that I can bleach my knots and glue it on my head. So this is the box I received from ALIPEARL. As you can see, they sent me the wig and they sent me so many other little gifts that I actually love. They sent me lashes, they sent me a headscarf, they sent me an elastic band, they also sent me a brush, like an edge brush, they sent me wig cap, they sent me instructions of how to maintain the hair, and also a satin bag, which was absolutely lovely. I've never received this much stuff before, so I actually loved it. This is the wig. I'm just opening the package it came in, the little clear or white, whatever it is. So now that the bleaching process is finished and completed, this is the completed bleaching process. The knots are bleached, as you can see. The baby hairs are beautiful. This wig did come pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more because I'm just crazy. That's what I wanted to do. And now I'm taking my Skin Protect just to spray around my forehead to protect me from the harsh chemicals of the lace glue. I already took off some I used rubber and alcohol to take off the residue on my forehead, the makeup, and that line of demarcation, you can see that little yellow line is what I use to mark my middle part. That's just what I do. Yeah, I took off the makeup that was on that area, and now I'm getting ready. As soon as this dries, I'm gonna then put the lace glue on my head. So here I'm now gonna take my eyebrow brush because I didn't have any other marker. I'm just gonna mark where I want the lace to lay. As you can see, I have edges on that area. Don't worry, I'ma keep them. Nothing's gonna happen to them. If you know how to take off your lace properly, your edges will be intact. So as you can see, I'm just marking the certain areas where I'm going to stick the hair and then cut the excess lace off so that the edges are still okay and intact. I'm now going to take my lace glue and I'm start to apply the first layer on my head. I normally do 3 layers if I want this to lay for about 2 weeks. I normally don't touch my hair. I'm very good at maintaining my frontals and closures, so I'll probably do 3 layers of the glue, and I'll show you the end process of how to properly stick it up on the hair. Make sure when sticking the lace down that the lace is above or in front of the glue. You don't want it to be behind the glue because that's just messy and you have to go in and clean up that area. It's just long, so you're best having the glue behind the lace. That way if you miss out any area, you can go back and just glue that area back. Right now, as you can see, I'm making sure that my sides are secure, and then I'm going to take my Sprint and spray that area more. I'm now using my comb just to really secure the hair and make sure that the glue and the lace are both bonded together. Now that that area is secured, I'm just going to take the lace glue and I'm going to apply it on the sides of my head. Once the glue is dry, I'm going to then take my elastic band and wrap around my head, and then wait at least 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry before I add any other glue such as the Sprint or the Got To Be spray to give it that extra hold. Now that the elastic band is on, I'm going to take the ALIPEARL satin scarf that they gave me just to give it that extra hold. And once I am finished, I'm going to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes for that to completely dry and hold. Then I'm gonna take off the band and the scarf and cut the excess lace off and style my edges. I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera, and then I wrapped my head again just to set the baby hairs while I added conditioner and mousse to my hair to give it that kind of wet / dry look. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This hair was super easy to pluck, easy to bleach. Like, this looks like my scalp. Like, it's actually amazing. I love this hair so much, and I want to thank ALIPEARL for sending me this beautiful wig. This was a pre-made wig, by the way. It was a 13x4, 180 density, and this was the medium cap size as well. If you guys want to check it out, I will link everything in the description bar below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also follow me on my socials. Follow me on my Instagram at Lucy Lux Lounge,